In this video, you'll learn how to build a WooCommerce shop and products archive using WordPress Elementor. This process will guide you through setting up an online store that showcases your products effectively. Begin by navigating to this by entering the URL for your WordPress site, followed by /wp-admin. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access the admin panel. Once logged in, you should see the WordPress dashboard with various options on the left-hand side. Next, locate the option labeled Sites in the left sidebar and click on it. This action will direct you to the site's management interface, where you can view all the sites associated with your account. If you have multiple sites, select the one you wish to work on by clicking on its name. After selecting your site, look for the button that says Create with AI and click on it. This will initiate the AI site builder, which assists in creating your WooCommerce shop. A new interface will load, displaying a message stating that the foundations are being laid. This indicates that the system is preparing to set up your site. Once this message appears, wait for the AI to finish loading. During this time, you may see a loading indicator or a progress bar. This step is crucial as it ensures that all necessary components are being installed correctly. Allow a moment for this process to complete before moving on. After the loading process, you will receive a prompt that invites you to create a unique website. Here, you should type in a phrase such as create the WooCommerce shop and products archive in WordPress Elementor. This phrase will guide the AI in understanding your intentions for the site. When you have typed your phrase, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action submits your request to the AI, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can indeed create the WooCommerce shop and products archive. Next, type in the choice presented above in the subsequent prompt. This may involve selecting options regarding themes or layouts that suit your shop's vision. After typing your selection, hit enter again to proceed. You will now be prompted with a question about what your website should be called. Type in the desired title for your site, which is the name displayed in browser tabs. After entering the name, press enter to confirm your choice. Following this, you will be asked to provide a tagline or description that summarizes what your site offers. This tagline will appear in search results and social media previews. Type in a concise and descriptive tagline before pressing enter once more. As you continue, click on Create My Site to finalize the setup process. This action will initiate the creation of your WooCommerce shop with the specified details. You may see a message indicating that your site is brewing, which means it is currently being built. Wait for the system to generate your site. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your setup and the current server load. You will observe a loading screen or message indicating that the site is being prepared. Lastly, the setup may take a while, but once completed, you will receive a confirmation that your WooCommerce shop and products archive is ready. At this point, you can start adding products and customizing your shop to fit your brand. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.